Hey everyone, it's Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So finally we've got 5 minutes dragged together today. It's been chaos to highlight the new release for the day from the Perth Mint, which is the 2022 1 ounce gold swan. Yes, we've got them in stock. Yes, they're going to go incredibly quickly. They're not even going to last the weekend. Grab them while you can. They're a beautiful coin. You'll see the B-roll on it. You don't need me shaking up against the camera to show it. They're a very limited edition. There's only 5,000 produced, and the vast majority of those ended up going overseas. So definitely this is one of grab it while you can. If we've sold out, absolutely start hunting it. Perth Mint does have them on their website. I don't actually know of any other companies around Australia that do, but I'm sure there'll be one or two. And obviously they'll be available overseas if you're not in Australia. They are a great coin. They always show good appreciation in past. So we're anticipating that in the future, but obviously not financial advice. So yeah, just a quick highlight on the 2022 gold swan that Perth Mint released today. That's it for now. See ya.